Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Sunny of Sunrise 75 channel, the home of educational and positive videos. So I'm so excited to share to you another topic for today. Ayan, this is about finding your true desire and your deepest why. Ayan. So bawat isa sa atin ay binigyan niya ng Panginoon, no? Nung pakiramdam na dito ako interesado, dito ako magaling, ito yung aking talent at ginagamit natin ito para maabot natin yung gusto nating abutin sa buhay, yung ating mga pangarap. But sometimes kung titingnan natin, bakit hindi tayo nagiging successful doon sa mga bagay na ginagawa natin na nakalinya doon sa ating desire, sa ating interest, sa ating hobby, sa ating skills? Sabi dito sa aklat ni Brother Bo Sanchez, no? This is about 8 habits of the happy millionaire. Ayan, hi to Brother Bo. Thank you very much for sharing your ideas in this book. Sabi dito, why do people fail to reach their goals? At ang sagot, sabi niya, because they've not yet discovered their emotional why. Kayo ba na-discover nyo na ba ang inyong emotional why? Ayan. At binabanggit din niya dito na kung tutuusin daw kasi dapat ma-realize ng mga tao, no? In our reflection that we have today, dapat ma-realize nga ng tao na sa maraming bagay sa buhay, we make our choices based on our emotions and not only based on logic. Hindi lang isip or utak ang ginagamit natin sa pagdesisyon, kung hindi yung ating emotion. Saan ba tayo interesado? At bakit tayo interesado? May dahilan. There is a deepest why. Ayan. So, that's one thing that we have to understand, we have to see. So, kung sakaling malinaw naman ano ang gusto mo, anong pangarap mo, anong desire mo, anong vocation mo, anong mission mo, saan ka magaling, saan tayo nag-fail? Yan, may mga pagkakataon, nakita ba natin, may mga pagkakataon na medyo nagkaroon lang ng challenge, nagkaroon lang ng problema, medyo tinamad lang tayo, umulan lang, medyo napagod tayo, nag-iba yung environment. Sometimes we give up. Mabuti nga kung sometimes, many times we give up, ayaw na natin. So kung titingnan natin ang mga bagay sa mundo na gusto nating maabot, na maging successful tayo, ay kailangan nating paghirapan. Kailangan nating lagyan ng effort. No, sa lahat ng bagay, kahit utak lang dyan ang ginagamit o kaya kamay, dapat paglaanan natin ang panahon, pag-isipan, no? And then we need to work on it. We need to adjust if possible. At kahit anong mangyari, we will not easily give up. Why? Of course, if we're going to give up, alam na natin, yung mga bagay na gusto natin, hindi natin maaabot. Yung mga bagay na pangarap natin, sa tingin natin, mission natin, vocation natin, ako, mukhang hindi tayo magiging successful doon. Bakit maraming tao ang hindi successful? Kasi nga, hindi naman talaga malalim ang dahilan. Bakit nila gusto ang bagay na ito? At kung may problema man, may mga challenges man, hindi nila basta-bastang i-give up ang kanilang mga desires. So we have to ask ourselves, kahit ano ka man, sino ka man, ano man ang ginagawa mo, malalim ba ang dahilan bakit ginagawa mo ang isang bagay na ginagawa? Like for example, if you are a teacher, like for example, if you are a business person, or ano man ang mga bagay na ginagawa mo, malalim ba talaga ang dahilan kung bakit mo ito ginagawa? Kasi kung hindi malalim, naku, kaunting problema lang, give up na tayo, ayaw na natin. And just the same, we have to remember that it's by giving up na hindi na natin maaabot yung nais natin. Instead of giving up, we have to discipline ourselves, we have to continue, we have to be persistent, we have to be consistent. Because in the end, if we are persistent, if we are consistent, if we are disciplined, at kung malalim ang dahilan ng ating emotional why, sabi nga ni Brother Bo, we could reach our dreams, the things that we would like to achieve. It is just a matter of time. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sunny of Sunrise 75 channel, and if you find this video worth sharing, please share it to your friends, like, make some comments there, and for those who are watching from Facebook. Follow for more. Thank you and bye for now.